bang gumawa ng Korean kimchi na pwede mo ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan? Annyeonghaseyo! Saranghae! Hi, this is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel. Kailangan mo bang magluto ng masarap and quality food pero kapos ka sa oras? A fast and easy cooking tips, guide, ideas, and techniques, plus a new and exciting recipe for all the parents and for all working professionals. Para sa buong pamilya at pwede nyo rin pagkakitaan. Today, I will share to you Korean kimchi. And here are the ingredients for our kimchi. Okay, to start with, we need one whole piece of Napa Cabbage. Right? I'll show you the procedure and how to do it. We just need to cut into two our Napa Cabbage. Kailangan lang po natin tanggalin yung matigas na parte ng ating Napa Cabbage or yung ating Repolyo. We need to cut on the desired size na gusto po natin. This is the radish, carrots, spring onion, we need garlic, ginger, onion, and glutinous rice flour, our chili powder, sugar, fish sauce or patis, salt, and water. Okay, stay tuned for the actual procedure. Unang-una, kailangan lang po natin hugasan and i-drain ang ating Napa Cabbage or ating Repolyo 3 beses. At hayaan lang po natin ma-drain for about 3 to 5 minutes. Repolyo or yung Napa Cabbage natin. Right? So, standby lang po natin kasi lalagyan po natin siya ng salt. Isusalting po natin siya mamaya. Tapos, ibabad lang po natin siya. At ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating mga vegetables. You have to cut it this way, like this. Parang nag-cut po kayo ng parang pagpansit. Pag gumawa po kayo ng pansit, yan. Ganito po siya. Cut it into strips like this. Not necessarily na sobrang nipis. And then, the same thing also with your carrots. Look at this. Carrots, cut it also into strips like this. Okay? And also with your spring onion. Yan. Sa Bisaya, ito po ay sibuyas dahunan. Ayan. Yung sibuyas dahunan, i-cut na po ito siya into strips. Yan. Maninipis. Okay? And the rest, ginger, luya, at saka yung sibuyas, you just cut it kasi mamaya i-blender po natin yan para po sa ating kimchi sauce. Alright? Diba? Ayan. And then, you just add on the salt. Slowly, bit by bit. Ayan. Dahan-dahan at saka huwag po natin ibubuhos lahat. Then, i-add na po natin yung ating repolyo. And then, salt again. And then we just leave it for about 10 minutes. Okay? At maya-maya, you need to check kasi baka nababad na masyado yung salt sa ilalim. Masyado. See you later. After 5 minutes, ganito na po ang itsura ng ating repolyo or ang ating Napa Cabbage. Water, sugar, and then just this, and then yung ating glutinous rice flour. And then sindihan na po natin ang ating kalan. Ang kailangan lang po mag-maintain ng low heat ang ating apoy. Kailangan lang ng continuous mixture para maiwasan ang pamumuo at pagkasunog ng ating glutinous rice flour. After 3 minutes, dapat ganito na po ang consistency ng inyong glutinous rice flour mixture. And at this point, ipagsama-sama na po natin ang ating kimchi sauce mixture. And then, i-add na po natin ang ating naluto na glutinous rice flour together with our blended ginger, onion, and garlic. At this point, we will add batch by batch our chili powder. Sauce mixture, we add on our radish. And then our carrots. Then our spring onion. Okay. Slowly add the Napa cabbage here. Look at this, we have our kimchi. We try to check and taste it. Tastes good. But it would be better if you let it ferment at the fridge for about 3 to 5 days. Ganito na po ang itsura niya. Look at this. Ito yung nagawa ko for nung last week. Okay, and we will try to check on this. Sobrang sarap. The best in the world. Okay, with this mixture, dahil magkagawa po kayo ng tatlong ganito, tatlong tab po na ganito. Okay. Again, this is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy. Thank you for visiting my channel. See you in my next video. Please support me by subscribing my channel. Just click subscribe and please do not forget to hit the bell button for more updates on upcoming videos. Always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka.